In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious, easy breakfast shakshuka recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of sausage, 3 tomatoes diced, 1 onion diced, half a pepper diced, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 3 garlic cloves shredded, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 3 tablespoons of oil, and half a cup of tomato paste. You will also need cheese, which is optional. In a pan over heat, we're going to add in half of the oil. Add in the sausage and cook completely. Once cooked, we're going to take out into a bowl and set aside for later. Add the remaining oil into the pan. Add the onions and saute them. Add in the garlic and continue to saute. Now add in the green peppers and the tomatoes and continue cooking. Season with the salt and the pepper. Add in the tomato paste and mix thoroughly. Now we're going to add in half a cup of water. Let this simmer for about 5 minutes or until it starts to become thick. Now we're going to sprinkle the meat back on top of the sauce. We're going to create 4 indents that are evenly spread apart from each other, in which we are going to add our eggs. Sprinkle with parsley. Cover with the lid and we're going to cook until the egg is completely cooked. Remove from heat. Now we're going to sprinkle the top with cheese. Our breakfast shakshuka is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.